According to the researcher, the warning sign was seen on the mouthpiece, which is referred to as the most dangerous place. The warning sign will be recognized by other creatures including Javanese lorises predator such as eagles and pythons. Kids, ever seen this animal? That's right, it's a Javan loris animal. Javan lorises have a white pair of eyes, a round nose, and thick fur. Make it look very adorable, right? But who would have thought behind his cutie face turned out to be only primate that is venomous? Well, lorises have a unique motif on their body. Come on, let's talk about it. Before we continue, don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell button, okay? Venomous primates. Well, as we discussed earlier, lorises are the only primates that have venom. These creatures secrete toxins from their saliva as well as glands that come out on the inside of the arm. The fusion of these two toxins is certainly quite deadly. However, it doesn't mean the loris can escape all kind of threat, because of the fact they are small and move slowly, so they easily get attacked. This makes them have to show excitement without engaging in duels. The trick through the color their face. According to Anna Nekaris, a conservation biologist from Oxford Brookes University in the UK, there are many animals that also do this. They use color to signify how strong or dominant they are. This mechanism is called an aposematic or warning color. Besides lorises, there are also some animals that use it, such as skunk, weasels, and ladybug. This conclusion is based on research has been collected for 8 years. The study was published in the journal Toxins. This research was conducted by capturing, then releasing back 200 animals to show that on the face of Javanese lorises is indeed an aposematic color. According to the researcher, the warning sign was seen on the mouthpiece, which is referred to as the most dangerous place. The warning sign will be recognized by other creatures including Javanese lorises predator such as eagles and pythons. According to Nekaris, the loris is like a cute and smelly ball of death. Javanese lorises itself live in pairs and guard forest areas the size of football fields. Unfortunately, very little habitat remains on the island of Java due to agriculture and deforestation. A lorises couple can live in the same place for up to 8 years. This means when young lorises attack, they have to fight for their territory. Adult lorises versus young lorises. Nekaris and the research team also found that younger lorises were found to be more aggressive than older ones. Nekaris noticed the difference between an adult generation of lorises more than 2 years old that would calm down after being arrested. In the meantime, young loris will be more powerful. When arrested, they will seek to fight us. They are very strong, screaming and gather spit on their mouth, although there are some animals that do this fight. But a long study also called this can happen because young lorises also go through the terrible tooth phase, where young lorises tend to become aggressive. Researchers also found another link between aggressiveness and aposematic color on the face of the lorises. Well, this study shows young lorises have more contrasting motifs on their face. The hypothesis is the clearer the color, the higher their aggressiveness. That's why Ten Stankovich, an evolutionary behavioral ecologist at California State University Long Beach, hoped the researchers can measure the toxicity in lorises to see if their toxin levels were higher when they were young. It aims to match their aggressiveness with contrasting colors. because it's strange if the color can change as the animal age. In addition, there are also theories to why young lorises are more aggressive and have more contrasting motifs on the face. This can be a form of mechanism because they are small, easier to catch, or because they are more sensitive when starting to search for new territory. And it turns out that the purpose of this aposematic motif isn't just to scare other animals, because sometimes lorises also use it for similar species. Well, that's a fun fact about Java lorises. Anyone interested in looking at a loris?
Sampai di sini dulu ya videonya. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe, dan share ke teman-teman lainnya ya kids. Bye-bye!